Island are small islands in the southeast Maluku Regency, Indonesia. K Island consists of small islands that are famous for their beautiful beaches. One of the most popular beaches is the Luhut Beach, which has been named as the softest sand beach in the world by the National Geographic. K Island water have high conservation value because it is laid in the center of the coral reef triangle that is rich in biodiversity. The waters are also very fertile due to the high concentration of chlorophyll, making it a good ecosystem for coral reefs, seagrass, and mangroves. The area also has great potential in fisheries such as pearls, sea cucumbers, and captured fisheries, including seaweed. K Island seaweed was recognized to have better quality seaweed because of its relatively bigger in size compared to seaweed from other places in Indonesia. The main seaweed that is cultivated in K Island is the Eucumac species with brown, red, or green in color and is usually used in the production of carrageenan. Carrageenan is a gelling agent extracted from seaweed that has vast application such as ingredient for cosmetics, food processing, industrial manufacturing, and other industries. This special quality of seaweed is still limited in the market because of its cultivation only covers a little area of the island. The Government of Indonesia saw this as a potential to expand more cultivation areas in the K Island to be able to make more production in seaweed and to improve the locals' welfare. Korea Indonesia MTCRC together with CMMI and local government conducted a survey of environmental parameters and mapping the area to get the latest data of K Island waters. With this survey, it is expected that it will assist the Government of Indonesia in determining policy direction and strategic plan for potential seaweed cultivation site through scientific research. To obtain data on water environmental condition, CTD was used in this survey, which measures 11 seawater parameters. Meanwhile, seawater samples were taken for further analysis in the laboratory to obtain nutrient parameters. We also conduct drone mapping survey to find out the latest condition of seaweed cultivation. Summarizing all parameters, the Satean Gulf, Malingga Gulf, and Hoat Sorbet Gulf have high suitability of more than 95% in all the area. Meanwhile, Sepuluh Island waters only has a high suitability of 72% and the rest are in medium suitability due to the slightly higher salinity at some survey point. From this result, we can briefly conclude that all areas have a fairly good suitability for seaweed cultivation, while there are also some moderate suitability that need further consideration. These survey results are expected to support the determination for a suitable seaweed cultivation area in Southeast Maluku by providing information and data on mapping and scoring the area, as well as making area profiling, which in the future, the data will be used to build a system that can preserve or control the quality of seaweed so that it is maintained and has a high value, as well as in line with the purpose for the development of national supporting infrastructure for seaweed cultivation.